Educational Services America is a privately held education company in the U.S. We operate in 22 different states, two divisions, one that focuses on alternative ed and the other that focuses on special education. As ESA looked into creating the next version of learning management system for our students, we were already working on a SharePoint LMS project. We were $200,000 into that project when we found Podio. I asked one of my business analysts, Anthony Stefani, to look at it and see if Podio could actually accomplish what we needed. I gave Anthony 2 weeks to look through it and give me an answer. 3 days later, he came back and said, I built 90% of what I needed for an LMS in Podio. And we then canceled the $200,000 SharePoint LMS project and moved forward with Podio.
A couple of my favorite apps that we were able to go through and create was our IT support app. What we've been able to do is eliminate HelpStar, which we previously used for IT ticketing. Employees can go in, easily submit an IT ticket in 3 clicks or less. Workflows are automatically started with our IT department. They're notified and able to communicate back and forth with the person submitting the ticket. The nice thing about it is employees can see the status. They can actually see what's going on, if it's currently being worked on, and what those solutions are. From the IT side, the really cool thing about it is we can reference our whole entire inventory system throughout the company and also reference FAQs to help further assist the employee that's having the issues. The other apps that we've been using is a CRM, Customer Relationship Management System. We were currently using Salesforce, and what we have done was we looked at all those hundreds of processes that they offer in Salesforce and found out that we only use half a dozen of those processes. So we took each one of those processes, recreated it inside of Podio in a matter of minutes to hours, and we were able to deploy it to our staff within days. Compared to when we were trying to deploy Salesforce, it took months to deploy it and get our employees used to using it. With Podio, there is no downtime, there is no wait. We've built out opportunities, we've built out accounts, we've built out activities, and having ShareFile integrated with Podio gives us another advantage because we can be inside of an opportunity and we can see that it's already linked to the contract being stored inside of ShareFile. So it doesn't matter if I'm on the road or if I'm in the office, I can go into an opportunity, click the contract, and have it right from ShareFile.
We did find significant cost savings. In Salesforce, the $40,000 that we are currently spending just on our business developers, those are hard dollars that we will no longer spend. In looking at trying to add all of the operations people to Salesforce to bring some synergy around how we dealt with our accounts, that was an additional $250,000 or $300,000 that we would have had to pay per year to Salesforce to do that same thing that we are now doing in Podio. And removing SharePoint from the environment, that saved real dollars on the IT staff. We no longer have to have SharePoint developers on staff. Our business analysts have taken up the work of creating applications, and we've also allowed business users to actually get in and start creating their own applications without adding additional resources to the IT department.
The employee can go in, create their own app in a matter of minutes, and actually use it as a full process that the company would use overall. The ease of use is just, it's so amazing that the employee they're the one that is actually running the app, running the workspace, and you can't find that anywhere else.